Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to reset your EETV box remote. Now, if your remote isn't responding, if it is lagging or stopped controlling the box, this quick reset is going to usually fix it. So first of all, you need to start with the simplest fix in which you just have to basically remove the batteries. So after removing the batteries, wait for 20 to 30 seconds and then you just have to press and hold any of the button for a few seconds. So this is going to drain the leftover power inside the remote. Then simply reinsert the fresh batteries if you can, and you can just simply test it. So even after this step, the remote still not working properly, you can try repairing it with the TV box. For that, you need to stand close to the EETV box, then press and hold the home button. So after pressing and hold the home button and the OK button together, you just have to hold them for a few seconds. Most of the EE remotes will enter into the pairing mode. So you can watch your TV screen for a confirmation message. If the pairing doesn't trigger immediately, you can restart the TV box and you can then try again. If the buttons feels deployed and inconsistent, you can check for the interface. So here, if the remote remains completely unresponsive even after doing all of these steps, it may indicate the hardware wear rather than a reset issue. So you can ask a specialist in order to check it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.